The Dhāraṇī of Māṇibhadra. Homage to the Three Jewels. Thus did I hear at one time. The Blessed One was residing in Śrāvastī, in Prince Jeta's grove and Buddhapīṭha's park. At that time the great yakṣa general Māṇibhadra went to where the Blessed One was residing. Upon arriving, he honored the Blessed One's feet with his head, and sat down to one side. After sitting to one side, the great yakṣa general Māṇibhadra said this to the Blessed One: Noble Sir, I will forever hasten to come to the service of anyone, be they a monk, nun, layman, or laywoman, who recites this heart mantra 3 times a day. I will provide everything they need. I will furnish them with food, clothing, treasures, gold, jewels, grain, and silver. I will bring their every enterprise to success and make all beings obedient to their will. I will swiftly promote the success of all their various endeavors, unless they intend to cause strife. Namo Ratna Trayaya, Namo Māṇibhadraya, Maha Yaksha Senapataye, Syad Yatedam, Hili Māṇibhadra, Hili Hili Māṇibhadra, Kili Māṇibhadra, Kili Kili Māṇibhadra, Chili Māṇibhadra, Chili Chili Māṇibhadra, Chulu Māṇibhadra, Chulu Chulu Māṇibhadra, Churu Māṇibhadra, Churu Churu Māṇibhadra, Turu Māṇibhadra, Turu Turu Māṇibhadra, Kuru Māṇibhadra, Kuru Kuru Māṇibhadra, Suru Māṇibhadra, Suru Suru Māṇibhadra, Savatam me Sadaya Svaha. Tadyata Putane Suputane Surupe Sumate Surate Supushye Hilike Hili Kali Purne Side Badre Hili Hili Svaha. Ehi Konishke Ehi Sonishke Ehi Gonishke Svaha. If one recites this 7 times, it will be accomplished. The ritual procedure for this is as follows. On the 15th day of the waxing fortnight, one should observe strict cleanliness and burn agar wood incense at the 3 junctures of the day. If one recites the mantra 7,000 times, gold will be obtained. Here ends the Noble Dhāraṇī of Māṇibhadra. Colophon. This was translated by the Indian preceptor Vidya Karasimha and Lotsawa Bande Louis Wangpo.